Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit contacts on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL Mail account. Now on the screen, you can see a three-line menu on the top left corner. Tap on it. There you're gonna find options like settings, contacts, give feedback, inbox, unread, start, drafts, etc. Select contacts from there. Now look for the contact that you want to edit, then tap on it. Now on the top right corner you're gonna find a three-dot menu. Tap on it, then select edit contact. From there, now go ahead, edit the contact as you like, then tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit contacts in AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.